Apfel Doctor Germany. My name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the review show. Because today the cause for the video is a review for the new JC DFU Box C2. JC mailed it to us and asked for a review, and yeah, we want to do that for sure. So let's see what we got there. Okay, I hope you can see everything. I just adjust the camera a small bit so you can see more, because I want to have a little zoom. Okay, configure the video and let's get a little bit zoomed in. Apply. Okay, now you should see everything. Really good. Okay, that's the new JC DFU Box C2, and this device can read the serial number out of any phone which is turning on or which you can put in the DFU mode, and it can automatically start the DFU mode with your device, so you don't have any headache anymore on iPhone X. Volume up, volume down, press the power button, and on every device you need another code of pressing on the buttons at the device. So now I want to show you how this works, because it's really amazing. So it's a nice packaging, and another function this nice device has is USB amp meter function. So you can see voltages, current, flow. You can see all of this. So we take it out of the box and we plug in 5-volt USB Lightning, and then we see, okay, it's in English. When we press longer on the left button, the language switches to Chinese. If we press longer, it turns to English. When I press one time short, I can enable or disable the DFU mode. So if I disable the DFU mode, I just can use it as a USB amp meter. Get it in. So I just deactivate DFU. Okay, I had activated, it's no problem. So you see what happens now. What happens now? I pressed too late, I think. It's no problem. So at the moment we got a normal boot, and I show you when we start the DFU mode, okay? So now we just see the voltages, the current, we see the serial number of the phone, and we see the ECID, okay? So when I put off the phone now, it's really nice, because you got your USB amp meter in combination with a box which can switch your phone into the DFU mode. So I put it off, I press one time at the switch, and now DFU mode has been turned on. Okay, I get it right to the phone. And what happens now? Yeah, we are at DFU mode, okay? And when we press switch 2, you see the serial of the device, the ECID. Switch 1 again to turn the DFU mode off, and we can see voltage and current flow. And that's really a nice feature, I think. So just go out of the DFU mode and start the device in a normal way. This is really a nice tool if you got many devices at your shop and you want to go fast in the DFU mode without waiting on pressing buttons and waiting for start the DFU. You need the serial of the device fast to prove some things. It's really a nice tool, and it feels really good, Andy. It's a really nice device. The housing is really great, and it's easy and fast to use. So I would recommend this DFU Box C2 to everyone, to every shop, because it's really a nice tool and it makes your work a little bit easier. So I will use it now every day. Perhaps I get a lightning cable. Here I show you what I mean. A long lightning cable on it. Where we got our thermal, Andy? On the thermal there is a lightning cable, a longer lightning cable. Ah, yeah, okay, I see. Okay, you could use something like that. Okay, that's my thought now, because I could place it here. Yeah, could place it here with some glue stick, and then I could get on this cable here, and I could use it as a USB amp meter. You see? Does it work? Or do I have to get another cable, because that's not original? So no, with that cable it doesn't work, but could be because that's a cheap copy cable. So I will get this one as original, and then I will put the DFU box here right in front of me, and I will use it as USB amp meter in combination with that nice feature to get out the serial and to start the DFU mode when I need it. So I recommend it to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was some advertisement for the JC box. I hope you like it. Get the box at Union Repair if you need it. If you are in Germany, I'm sure Rexcom will get it too. At the moment I know Union Repair has it in stock, so you can order it there. Greets to my friend Sven. And yeah, I hope you have a lot of fun with the new JC DFU Box C2. I'm out, and we see us with the next video. Yours, Ben. Goodbye.